There are only two ways to live life. The first is that miracles do not exist. The second one is like miracles all around. Blind belief in authority is the greatest enemy of truth. If a mess on the table means a mess in the head, then what does an empty table mean? We all know that light travels faster than sound. That's why certain people appear bright until you hear them speak. Our beliefs and ideas are often a trap that limits our possibilities. Genius is 1% talent and 99% hard work. The overemphasis on a purely intellectual stance in our education, often all about practice and facts, has led directly to the devaluation of ethical values. I'd rather be an optimist and a fool than a pessimist and right. You never fail until you stop trying. The tragedy of experiencing oneself as separate from all others is the delusion that becomes our prison. If you want to live a happy life, tie it to a goal, not to people or things. Only a life lived for others is a life worthwhile. Words were and remain an empty sound, and, serving the ideal only in words, it is impossible to die for it. But a person is created not by what a person hears and says, but by labor and activity. Wisdom is not a product of schooling, but of the lifelong attempt to acquire it. Theory is when everything is known, but nothing works. Practice is when everything works, but no one knows why. We combine theory and practice. Nothing works, and no one knows why. The only knowledge that can advance us on the path of development is the knowledge that the imagination is capable of anything, and everything that is possible in our imagination is possible in reality. Only those who attempt the absurd can achieve the impossible. What a sad era when it is easier to smash an atom than a prejudice. Truth is that which stands the test of experience. Life is a preparation for the future, and the best preparation for the future is to live as if there were none. We have collected these quotes from Albert Einstein, who not only elaborated the theory of relativity, but also made many other important contributions to science. A journey into his mind is an experience that we should absolutely appreciate. The quotes from him are full of life, experiments, and faith.